folks, we're back at it again this year. This is the 12 fiber weeks of Christmas, and I'm on week 4. Okay, so this year we've done like we usually do. We'll go from an object to a tool to a scarf project or whatever. So this week 4 is going to be my favorite tool, and it is the Ultra Punch needle. This one's on sale for $23.40 this week on 4. So I would like to say I use this needle pretty regularly on all the punch needle projects that we're doing. And a lot of people have this, but I actually, I ended up getting 2, and the reason why I do 2 is because I actually have one needle that has the small tip, and then I actually have the other needle with the medium tip. If you price this individually, you get 3 tips in here. That could be about $6 a piece if you thought about it, and then you could actually get the springs. The springs are what people lose. So this is a great deal in terms of getting a second needle that already has the tip in it, that you can just keep them that way so that you can switch back and forth between projects without wasting time. So to me, you can't go wrong with this. Great stocking stuffer. And also, if you do this a lot in different places, you could keep one needle somewhere else and another in another place. So definitely the tool of the week 4. Thank you so much, and I hope a lot of people jump on this one because I think it's going to be a great seller.